Understanding the Glow of Midsummer, a guide to seasonal beauty in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and poetic expression in the English language, the glow of midsummer. This phrase evokes vivid images and emotions, and understanding it can enrich your language skills. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply love exploring evocative expressions, this video is for you. Let's explore the meaning, origins, and how to use this phrase in your conversations and writings. The glow of midsummer refers to the warm, golden light and the overall atmosphere of well-being and abundance during the middle of the summer season. This phrase is often used to describe the longest days of the year, characterized by extended daylight, vibrant nature, and a sense of vibrancy and life at its peak. It's a time when the sun sets late, and the evenings are balmy and filled with the soft, radiant glow of the setting sun. The concept of midsummer has been celebrated and revered in many cultures around the world for centuries. It marks a time of fertility, growth, and warmth. In literature, the glow of midsummer is a popular motif used to convey a sense of peace, prosperity, and the joy of life. Famous poets and writers have employed this phrase to capture the essence of summer's beauty and its effect on the human spirit. Incorporating the glow of midsummer into your language can add a layer of richness and imagery. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Descriptive writing. Enhance your essays or stories by setting scenes during midsummer, describing the environment as bathed in the glow of midsummer. Conversations. Share your experiences or plans for the summer by expressing your anticipation for the glow of midsummer and all the activities it enables. Poetry and creative writing. Use this phrase to evoke emotions and paint vivid pictures in the minds of your readers, capturing the warmth and beauty of summer. Beyond its literal meaning, the glow of midsummer also carries cultural significance. Many cultures have festivals and celebrations around the summer solstice, which falls during midsummer. These events are often filled with light, fire, music, and dance, all reflecting the joy and energy of this magical time of year. Understanding these cultural contexts can deepen your appreciation for the phrase and the season it represents. We hope this exploration of the glow of midsummer has illuminated its beauty and depth for you. This phrase is more than just a description of a season. It's a reflection of life at its most vibrant, a celebration of nature's bounty, and a testament to the enduring appeal of summer in the human imagination. May your days be filled with the warmth and joy of the midsummer glow. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!